Hi, I'm Alix Paultre with Embedded Computing Design magazine, and I'm here at the Embedded World Conference in Nuremberg, Germany with Jim McElroy. He's with LDRA. And well, hey, Jim, glad you're here at the show with me. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
Well, it is a busy show. And I mean, we're in a meeting room, so you don't really get an idea of how chaotic it is outside, but there's a lot going on.
Yeah, most definitely. We're in here because it's nice and quiet.
Exactly. Well, I want to ask you some questions, so now's a good time because it's nice and quiet, right?
Sure, absolutely. Yep.
So, LDRA, known for security, high-level industrial, really specialized, high-quality, high-performance niches. I understand now you're moving into automotive.
Yeah, automotive has definitely been a strength for us for the past few years. A lot of our customers are looking at the LDRA tool suite to help them comply with standards like ISO 26262, or maybe in the security world, SAE J3061. So what we've done is actually created a version of our tool suite, LDRA tool suite for automotive, that helps them comply with those standards in a very cost-effective way. So for example, if our customers know that they have to address a particular ASIL or safety integrity level, they can tell the tool suite, I'm targeting that ASIL, and the tool suite will lay everything out for them in terms of the tasks, the activities, and the reports that they need to generate.
And the reports they need to generate.
Yeah, definitely. The reality is that producing the evidence historically is one of the most not effective, but costly items to produce. And therefore, our tool suite automates that task of producing that evidence to show that they complied with the particular standards that they're following.
Very nice. Now, okay, so I'm doing automotive subsystem design. Are there any specific application spaces within the auto that you're addressing, or are you basically blanket, we're going to make the whole car better?
Yeah, well, we're definitely covering many different types of applications, ASIL A through D, whether it be body electronics, ADAS systems, even autonomous vehicles. For us, a lot of our customers need to develop applications either utilizing C or C++. And one of the other bullets that are on the screen here we're talking about today is kind of the merging of the standards that are taking place in the MIS or C world and in the C++ world, depending on which language you are using for development. For MIS or C 2012, we're talking about the third edition, the first revision of that. That's actually taken the security requirements and making that part of the standard as well. For the C++ world, we're seeing the two major consortia, AUTOSAR and MISR, coming together into one document. They're putting their guidelines. Therefore, our customers now have one reference that they can use for producing their applications, which is really important to them.
Well, but from the way you were talking about it, I'm gathering that you're relatively software agnostic in your approach there as far as what code is being used.
Yeah, definitely agnostic to whatever language that they're using. And in fact, we have to work with a lot of the different operating systems and compilers that are available in the market. And that's one of the things that differentiates LDRA. We're able to work down at the bit and byte level, but yet provide traceability from the objectives of the standard at a high level into the requirements, into the development activities, as well as the testing and the results that are produced. Which actually leads into the third and fourth bullet here, where we're talking about our integrations with JAMA and Polarian. At that application lifecycle management level, we're able to take in requirements from those tools, perform the functions of software analysis and quality assessments on their code, as well as test that code, capture the results, and then feed them back into the application lifecycle management tools. So from a lifecycle of traceability perspective, we're covering all the different facets of the software development lifecycle.
Very nice. Okay, so I'm one of your customers. I'm working on migration. How much hand-holding are you going to give me to help me dial your solution into mine?
Yeah, no, that's actually an excellent question. Really starts with the standards. In fact, one of the things that we're doing now more often is training people on standards like ISO 26262. So from our company perspective, we'll help them at the tool suite level, getting them up to speed on the tool suite, as well as teaching them about the standards. We do get into longer engagements on the consultative side of things when required. But it's all about making our customers more productive and efficient and giving them a cost-effective approach for compliance with the standards.
Very nice. Okay, so Jim, how do they find out more information? What's your website? How do they get there?
You can clearly just come to our website, www.ldra.com, and you can look at all the videos and the white papers and the technology that we offer through the website, and you can get information on us.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Jim, for taking the time. I really appreciate you talking to us today.
Thank you very much for having me.